Hello, welcome back to Tells Hobbies. In this video, I'm going to show you this new airbrush tool that I've bought. It comes in this kit here with all the different nozzles. I've not done airbrushing before, so I'm a complete beginner. And yeah, we're going to give it a go. I'm going to spray these models here with this matte grey air primer first. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go over with this sort of brown after. And then after, I'm going to weather them. So hope you enjoy the video. Let's give it a go. So some of the things that I've got from airbrushing is I've got these rubber gloves here, the airbrush tool, and I've got these airbrush primer and paints. I've also got this airbrush cleaning pot here because I want to make sure I give it a good clean so I can use it for years to come. So I'm going to keep it nice and clean and looked after, so you can get airbrush cleaning kit. Also a mask, and I've made this little homemade spray booth. So I'm going to open the windows, put my mask on and my gloves, and attempt to spray these models. These are all dried now after airbrushing them. They've come out really nice, they're really smooth. There's no splodge marks or overspray on them at all. So I'm really happy with them. And now I'm just going to try weathering them. So I'm going to use this paint here to give it a bit of a metal look. And I'm going to use this black as well. And I'm going to dry brush it just to, very lightly, just to give it a bit of a metal effect. So I'm just giving this coal, the coal here, a black wash. I'm going to put real coal on top. So I think the airbrush worked out really well. It gave a really nice finish to the models, and the cleaning kit was really handy to clean out the airbrush after, so I recommend that. And the weathering turned out really nice, so I'm really happy how the models turned out. I'm going to show you a close-up on how it looks on my Huawei right in a minute. And I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been subscribing to my channel and liking. Grateful, and it keeps me inspired to keep going and making more videos. My next video I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be painting these figures here for the railway station. So I'm going to be painting those, so that'll be a good one. And after that, in the future, I've got more projects that I've got coming up. I'm going to be doing the scenics grass effect, so I'll be doing that. So I just want to say thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.